Good afternoon. My name is Gretchen Hagenmiller, and I'm an undergraduate student in Principles of Ecology at Northern Michigan University in the Department of Biology. For my research project this semester, I investigated variation in the relative abundance among white-tailed deer, coyotes, and gray wolves in 2019 and 2020 so that I could learn more about how different wildlife species interact with one another across the United States. I selected these species for my project because I wanted to see if there was any impact of urban cover on these species that share a habitat and compete for resources. To achieve my goal, I used Snapshot USA 2019 and 2020 camera trap data, which allowed me to calculate relative abundance for my three species and examine the differences in relative abundance between high and low urban cover areas among my target taxa. For data analysis, I calculated the number of detections per 100 trap nights for each of my species at Snapshot USA sites in the upper Midwest that collected data in 2019 and 2020. I then used an unpaired t-test to determine whether my target taxa experienced changes in relative abundance between high and low urban cover areas. I found that relative abundance of all three of my species did not differ between high and low urban cover. Based on my results, my hypothesis that the relative abundance of gray wolves, coyotes, and white-tailed deer will be influenced by urban cover was not supported. Some potential reasons for these results are gray wolf population instability and coyote and white-tailed deer populations' adaptability to differences in urban cover areas. To learn more about the ecology of my species, further research should investigate the impact of urban cover where gray wolves are considered recovered and changes in behavior or activity patterns of coyotes and white-tailed deer in urban cover areas. In closing, I want to thank the Snapshot USA collaborative team for granting me access to this incredible dataset, as well as my TA, Emily Madalowski, and Dr. Lafferty for helping me bring my project to completion. Thank you.